All set, ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have Muscle Max. Break quickly restart. Rushing about the years and My Destiny. This time running by the release gun. Getting then followed now by number 4 is Spratley Island. Then going along for the first turn. Now we have this time takes the lead by about 2 lengths. Gun getting in second. Muscle Max. My Destiny comes next. Is Spratley Island. Mighty Maton is No Monkey. While Corregidor Island is racing in last. Back to the leader we have this time by about 4 lengths. Gun getting in second, and in third comes Muscle Max. My Destiny is down in third, and in fifth comes Mighty Maton. Running by the rail now is Spratley Island is No Monkey, while Corregidor Island is still in last. Last 400 meters of the race we have this time by length and a half. And in second, Gun Gadin. Muscle Max moving up. My Destiny so sweet. Mighty Maton. And as they swing to room this time by about 2 lengths. Gun Gadin in second. My Destiny. Mighty Maton is on the outside. Last 100 meters this time by about 3 lengths followed by My Destiny. And finally, this time, My Destiny close, Mighty Maton, Gun Gadin, then comes Muscle Max.
Alright, top choice, number 7 this time, crossing the wire first, ridden by Mark M. Gonzalez. Then masisigundo nga, My Destiny, Mighty Maton, then Gun Gadin. Panoorin natin, replay nitong race.